Okay, so it's not even light yet. We're gonna try to get up to Delicate Arch before the sun comes up. And it's freezing out here. Having fun yet?
You're so awkward.
Well, we're here at Arches National Park, and it's actually a busy day. Kind of surprising. The weather's been a little bit bad. We'll show you some really awesome more. Is that it? Is that all you're gonna say?
Yes, this is nice.
Okay. Follow us. Oh, and subscribe, and then
Click
hit that
the link here,
and then
subscribe.
like and hit the bell and all that good stuff. That helps out a lot. Thanks.
And watch all our other videos.
There you go. Thanks. All right. Here we are. Turn my head around. Well, it's a little after 7 o'clock in the morning, and we hiked up to Delicate Arch. There's really nobody up here. There's 2 or 3, 4 other people up here with us. But it's a rare occasion that you get to see the arch without a line of people underneath it. One thing that's interesting about this arch is how it's there. It's like a miracle. The arches are formed, or these fins are formed, and then they erode away underneath and create that arch. And so that was once upon a time a fin, yet it's left standing like it is. It's awesome. Well, we just got back from hiking up to Delicate Arch.
Yep.
How long did it take us?
Like 30 minutes
To get there?
to get there?
Yeah, how long did it take to hike us to get there?
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes to get up there. Got the sun, see the sunrise. It's on the video. We got there before anybody else did. So,
It's really cool.
yeah. So right behind us, you can see where the trail starts. If you look back there in the distance, and in a couple hours, there'll be a stream of people going all up there.
Yeah.
So, anyway, worth the hike, worth the view. Giving it a thumbs up. Well, this is the fiery furnace, and it's kind of a maze in there. You can't go in there without a permit, so it costs $6 for a permit, or you can also go on a ranger guided tour through the fiery furnace, and you have to get that permit ahead of time. Anyway, we got a permit. We're going to go in there. I'll show you how much fun it's going to be. Haven't been in there before, so we're looking forward to this. Follow the washes and the arrows that take us through this labyrinth. I think so.
It's not down there.
It looks like it's worn.
I think you go up here.
I don't think so.
Here, I'll go through and see.
Okay, we're lost.
Pretty sure we would have seen another arrow by now.
We don't know where to go.
I can climb through there.
Yeah, that's where we go.
What's down there?
Up, down, turn around, everywhere.
What's through there?
A little crack. Yeah, we're lost, but it's still fun.
Like we have no idea where we are.
Baby arch. This is cool. We found it. Oh my gosh.
It only took us an hour to find that arrow.
Hey, we saw some cool stuff though. We wouldn't have seen that. That little arch. So we went the wrong way and it looked like the right way.
Yeah.
And it was just one little turn.
Super lost.
Spent an hour trying to figure out where we were. Hey, we're on the right track now though. Enjoy.